Chloe, the daughter. What are those swirly doos? So this is a cream cheese lemon blueberry cake that looks similar to the cactus from the neighbors down the street.
Everybody, let's talk about birthday cakes, cactuses, and geology. This is called a layer cake, and these are the layers of the rocks in the Grand Canyon. Do you see where it says Proterozoic? And then above that it says the Great Unconformity? I could not get it. I could not understand it at all. So then they gave us this geological timeline, which has all these things I just don't understand, like Phanerozoic and Paleozoic and Mesozoic and Cenozoic, and then the age and the epoch and the sub-era. And I'm like, where does it say Proterozoic? Because it does not say it on here. I was not getting it. However, I came up with a solution. The only way I could understand the Great Unconformity was when they said it's 1 billion missing years of historical time. Then one day it finally hit me. It was a lot like a layer cake, kind of like this barrel cactus layer cake. Similar. See the different layers? Here and here, well, here, here, and in between there's different layers, right? Okay, so now we're gonna chop off a layer. Okay, now we have successfully chopped off that layer of cake. Just pretend it wasn't even there. And then we're gonna let it sit here for about 1 billion years. We're gonna frost another layer on. It is now 1 billion years later, and there's another slathering of frosting on top of that layer. What happened to those missing billion years? I don't know, but now we're gonna come along to modern civilization, and we're gonna take another bunch of layers of cake and stick them right on the top. But you still have this weird missing billion years right here. And you know what that's called? It's called the Great Unconformity, because it just doesn't make sense. Just like that doesn't make sense. Now a team of researchers has found chemical evidence in rocks suggesting the Great Unconformity, or the GU, so this is the GU cake, began forming towards the end of the Precambrian between about 850 and 600 million years ago. Let me take a bite out of this Great Unconformity here. Oh yeah, that's really good. I know what my take is. This means there was probably a boatload of erosion. Oh yeah. Oh, this is good.
I have a screw loose.